everybody. Today we are in Stillwater, which is West Edmonton. We will show you in the map. My name is Leanna Martens. We're about to tour this Mattamy homes. Craftsman style. It is called the Yamnuska. Right here. So this is more of an entry-level home in terms of their lineup. There's a way better home just here that I'll take you through that has an amazing promotion right now that actually makes it cheaper for way more. Don't forget that there's always upgrades in these homes. So Leanna Martens, your Edmonton real estate expert. Thanks for coming. Anybody who's new to my channel, hey! And anybody who, of course, is returning, great. Subscribe below if you're new. And if anybody's considering a relocation, go in the description below. That is exactly what we specialize in, and we'll make sure that you can make this move for you and your family with confidence and ease. So the Yamnuska is in West Edmonton, and this guy is more of an entry-level home because the square footage is less, and normally it's more accessible from a price point standpoint. So it's coming in the low fives, and the rooms are smaller, bonus room is smaller, but it's still thoughtfully designed. So let's go check it out and see if this might be the best option for you and your family. So the closest grocery and amenities is Edgemont. So that is just north. You're less than 5 minutes, honestly. It's like 3 minutes north of Stillwater and the Uplands to be able to get dentist, professional services, food, pizza, takeout, grocery store, gas, car wash, all the stuff that you're going to need. Shoppers Drug Mart, all that jazz. Thanks for coming on that tour with me. That was the Yamnuska, 1,600, a little more than 1,600 square feet. A really good entry-level home just in terms of square footage, price, and also do not forget that it had quite a few upgrades in it. So honestly, the best bang for your buck is going to be this sister home. Make sure you stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video.